What's up everyone, welcome to a pre-season 2 video of Stezworld. Today we're actually going to be unboxing a 2019 MacBook Pro. After months of saving, I was able to get this $1,800 computer. This is the base model of the $1,800 computer, and I'm gonna say it's pretty darn expensive for a laptop. I mean, what's up Apple? Why you are increasing prices on your product? Anyways, here's an unboxing. You can see me here with my knife trying to open. And for those who are curious, here is the specs for this 13-inch MacBook Pro. Alright, so here is the main event of this video. Here it is, me opening this box. And you can see here the MacBook Pro. Pretty gorgeous, like always. Apple never fails with their design. And it is very slim, extremely slim. And underneath the laptop, you can see here the accessory that came with it. A Type-C cable, some paperwork, mostly legal stuff, and of course the famous Apple stickers that comes with it. And this giant brick that you see here is actually a 61 watt USB Type-C power adapter. And now let's see this laptop. Taking off this plastic paper. Pretty sleek, just like always. One of the reasons why I chose this MacBook Pro is because it has 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB Types port. Because the base model only comes with 2, and of course the headphone jack. It must have a headphone jack. Also, in the new generation of MacBook Pros, the Apple logo does not light up just like the previous generations. So let's have a look in the inside. As you can see, these are the new butterfly keyboards. I hope they could last me a long time because I heard they've been having problems. The screen is actually in Retina display, 13.3 inches diagonal, LED backlit display with IPS technology. Could go anywhere between 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixel per inch with support for millions of colors. The touch bar, as you can see, in reality is a gimmick. I wish we had the physical one, but in order for me to have those, I need to get the cheaper MacBook Airs. And thank you for watching this video of me unboxing this MacBook Pro. I hope you can subscribe and come back for more videos that is mostly going to be all travels. Thank you for watching, and until next time, safe travels.